Good morning, guys. Let's see that everything is working. Okay, we have sound. Hello, Marius. Good morning. We need to. Let me know if everything is all right now. Good morning. Hello and welcome. We took a nice trade here on eGold. Played out perfectly. Guess next bus right now. We need to wait. See if we can form another setup. Was really nice, this one. Pretty clean. This one was from our Discord community. On the VIP part, I mentioned it yesterday. Hello, Shogun. Hello. Hey, Piotr. Hello. This is how I like to play the internal ranges, especially after a big pump and I see that market is creating liquidity. I know how to play these ones. I mean, are pretty obvious usually. My microphone is very quiet. Let me, yeah, I can. Okay, now should be better. I increased the OBS volume. It should be better now. I posted on premium too. I like this project. I will scale some orders in this area. And if it goes lower, I will scale some orders here too. So who wants to nibble? This is the area. Then this is the area. Back inside the range for eGold. I think it still left equal highs. Am I wrong? Yeah, equal highs. So we can play along once again. But this one is finished. Let me take a snip. Oh, okay. So Bitcoin, I think it will start a reaccumulation area around here. I don't have yet a structure on which I can base a setup. You can see right now it's looking like this. For the low time frame, let's see. Yeah, low time frame, it looks like we have a bullish market structure shift here. But that implies that we can hunt longs only below 61.8. And we do have some confluences. We have this fair value gap here. There we go. And we have one more fair value gap here. So I think we can hunt along in this area. We can even put an order like this. So that low should be protected because it just took the liquidity, swept the liquidity from this point. Market should not be too interested in taking the liquidity again, but in the same time, we can do something else. We can do like a triple drive, 3 drives pattern, where price is just SFUing one, twice, and the third wave usually it's the last one. So we can definitely have something like this. If we don't sweep the equal highs, we can have a 2.5 R. There we go. If we go on daily, so that triple drive pattern can be valid because as you can see here on daily, we didn't swept Monday low or Monday high. And usually, you know that I don't like having my stop loss below Monday low or Monday high. So I would give a 0.5 or lower to the first trade. But what I would take actually is that triple drives pattern that I mentioned. Another SFU here, it's probable. And not too much information on the left side. The fair value gap is holding. You can see the candle bodies are closing above the fair value gap, which is a bullish sign. And we have one more here. I can easily see price touching this one, but we need a big dump and take this low. It is probable. So this area. And I would play a reclaim of this Monday low. But same scenario like here. You want this liquidity to be left intact. So you don't want it to be swept right now. You want it to stay there. Maybe we form another high around here. Maybe price is pumping again. But you want to see liquidity forming for setup. And something like this. You want this equal highs. Or it can go lower, touch the fair value gap with the trend line. You can see we have a kind of support there in confluence with the 4-hour FEG and then pump higher. This is the first S&R. then we have the second one here. This is my plan for low time frame scalping on Bitcoin. I would not short because I don't have a place to put my stop loss at. I would short here up above at 44, but 42 it's a no touch zone in my opinion here. Let's see Ethereum. Again, 1-day fair value gap, it's reacting pretty good. Monday, we are inside the Monday range candle. I don't like the area. Here we have an S&R clear one with value area low. So this is definitely an area for a long. You see resistance, resistance, support, support again. And I think price can easily reject from 23. You can see resistance, some sort of support nearby, and then resistance again. Low time frame, same stuff like on Bitcoin, but let's see Bitcoin dominance. So, man, weekly close ugly for Bitcoin dominance. But most likely this pin bar will be retested 0.5 of the level. So we can have a pump. It's exactly, wow, that's a confluence. It's exactly at the previous high. You can see it. Really nice. So I can see a pump, a retest. But you can see that it's still on this ascending channel. Retesting the W. So right now it's at support. I wouldn't bet too much on Ethereum. But it depends on which one has the clearer market structure. And you can see Ethereum, it's a bit stronger. Ethereum didn't sweep this Monday low. Let's put an alarm here. I want the same stuff. Liquidity formed here. The highs to be protected. I repeat, I wouldn't take a short because it implies to put my stop loss above these highs or here, and here it's useless. And here you can see lots of liquidity. Price can easily do this. So it's not a clear setup here. Maybe only if you play a traditional market kind of unicorn, you take the H4 or H1 or H2 FEG, you search for the breaker block area, it's around here. And then you risk all the way up to the breaker or to the 1 hour candle. But still the risk to reward in this case is not that good. So no, don't like it. Okay. So I would stick with this plan on Bitcoin. Either here, either lower. Let's see. Let's see some altcoins. This one is played already. Good morning, Tolga. Hello. Let's see some H1 altcoins. Ripping, ripping, ripping. This one is lagging, but I don't like this pattern here. Too much resistance on the daily candles. I think it needs to grab some liquidity, you can see. I don't say it can't go higher because you can see this daily candle close really bullish. So that makes me think that it's an internal liquidity range. Let's see what we can do. 4-hour W confirmed. All the liquidity swept with this candle. H1 FEG here. Already retested. It doesn't mean it can't be retested again. And again a break, another fair value gap here, but not yet confirmed. We need this candle to close. Let's put it like this for the moment. Okay, lower time frame, this low should hold. So we have an intermediate low here on which we can use in order to have our stop loss. 0.5. Okay, so this implies an SFU of this W, which I don't think so. The structure is pretty clear. Only if we get a dump. Let's see daily if we swept. It swept Monday high. You can see it's rejecting Monday high. Let's see the candle body closing. 15 minutes is pretty aggressive, you can see. Let's go back on 1 hour. Okay, let's see the volumes. The volume profile is speaking the truth always. Something here and here. Then you can see. I mean, you can see on the volume profile that it's, if the price is passing this area, yeah, it's pretty obvious it will go lower. So I will try to hunt along in this area. I don't have enough information on 5 minutes. I would be a greedy goblin, but I think I will go for that. I'll put my entry at SFU. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 highs. Lots of liquidity here. Lots of liquidity. Yeah, something like this. It looks all right. Yeah, this trade was nice. It went really nice, Arno. but this bottom, we nailed it here. The power of 3 was really clean. Some of them are already prepared to pump or already pumping. You saw the first 10 coins, but I think the other ones, like middle of the list, they will spend more time here consolidating this dump candle. Too many equal lows on this one. Don't like it. Maybe if we get we can fish like some stinky bids for something like this, a really big dump. Maybe an AB equals CD. 0.5 of this candle. Something like this can work. Rune. Now I had an order on this one. Equal lows. Looks like it's coming for value area low. 1, 2, 3, 4 highs. I like this area for a take profit. I like this equal lows for an entry. Let's see, entry here. TP around here. Stop loss. So you can either make 2.5R or 5R. But there is a probability that the market might want to take this low too. Hey, hello Hyopung. Either put your stop loss here or here. If you want to be safer, you put it here. And you can, with a high probability, you can secure a 2.5. If you want to be a greedy goblin, you can put it here. And there is a probability that it might take your stop loss. I would go with this one. Hey, Christian, hello. Uniswap. I was looking at this one, but there you go. So who wants to take? I have a limit on this one. I think I will. Let's frame it. Let's see the fair value gaps. We got one here. Hey, Alex, hello. So we have one FEG here and one here. I'd prefer this one for a stop loss. Let's see the daily now. And okay. Okay. Okay, so that's the 12 hours view. Let's see the volume profile. So definitely it's worth fishing an order at this equal lows value area low. But now comes the stop loss part. TP higher. You can either go like this with a 2.72 R, which is not that bad. You can go like this. You confirm that here we had another fair value gap and the breaker blocks, or you can go like this. Up to everybody. I like it. Maybe this is the potential high. Oh, damn it. So the stop loss is exactly like at 61.8. Okay, let's make it a 5R. There we go. Give it some space here. Yeah, this should be all right. I think we have more than enough ideas. And we can wait. This trade was on VIP. I don't know how many held, but at least we TP'd. So lots of them are having this. Oh, this one is more interesting actually. Power of 3. Okay. Okay, I like what I see. And we just retested the breakout. I like what I see here. Maybe we get another entry. 1, 2, 3 equal lows. Yeah, it looks good. As you can see, we are pretty, I don't know, with our entry really low. So I don't expect all of these trades to get a fill, but if I get a fill on 2 of them, I'm okay. Also, you have to be really careful with the risk. So we can use 0.25 for each trade and only expose like 1% or 1.5% out of your capital. It's pretty dangerous to have 5 orders in the market and have a high risk on them. You can easily end up really bad. Mm. Not too many things that we can do here. Only maybe if it comes down to 0.5 of this H4 candle, we get a retest of that, implies an SFU of this low, and we can play something like this. Yeah, that looks probable. Rose. And we are good. We are back to Bitcoin. Let's see this nibbling list. Planet. Say I managed to buy here at 1.3, 0.13 actually. I got a double. Now I'll try to reload in this fair value gap here and then lower if it gets, but it's looking really strong on weekly. Jacks, I mentioned this one in some streams already, up 80%. I don't have a short yet, but I think I'll get it about here. And I will buy again in this fair value gap. I'm trying to not leaving I'm trying to get free coins on this one for the bull market, and I'm doing like a spot trading, so I don't focus necessarily on investment part. I'm trying to get free coins and then sell my initial investment and then keep the free coins. Either I think I will actually, you can, I usually sell half on a double, but if I see that price wants to come back down, I sell at 80% or something like that. Stos, I managed to buy here. Mentioned this one. It's still in profits, but it's looking ready. It's looking really good for another leg higher. I'm waiting to get some fills on this one, on inspect. But it's looking, it looks like it's holding these lows. Might want to do something like this. 4-hour demand is formed, you can see the candles. You can get a scalp here, but investment is here. Sats, yeah, I mentioned this one on the Discord group. I made more than a double. Yeah, 2 doubles actually here. Real nice one. Ordi, I want it here. If I get it, if not, that's okay. Naka, well, this one is, I want to nibble more, but we'll see. I managed to buy around here at the reclaim of this low. Here I bought. Damn good project. This one same. I managed to buy it here. Big time. I'm still waiting for it to come lower. At least the Wyckoff check of 35. We'll see. Tia. I just got filled here on some scale orders. This is not investing, it's spot trading. And you can see it's already working. So 50%. I will try to sell here. It's 1.61.8. I will sell my investment. I'll take my investment out and I will leave the free positions. That's how I wanted to play it. Well, voxel is looking really good. Why? Because we reclaimed two important areas of interest. Uh, First one is the, now it depends, but on Binance, we are looking at Binance right here, is the reclaim. You can see 2 times it already took it as support. We do have some rejections to the upside indeed, so it can spend a little bit more time here until it goes higher. So you can nibble at this W or here, up to everyone. Ammo, I like this one a lot. I bought here and I'm looking to buy here too. I got filled actually. Now we'll see if it has enough strength to go higher. SSV already made a shot on this one. Track. I'm watching these levels. If I see weekly support, something like this, or this one. Preferably it's this one, but I saw Noodles is really bullish on it. And looking at the weekly candle, it closed above the previous supply area. Mubi already made a double on it. I managed to buy around here and waiting for it, something like this or like this. Yeah, Tao, I know a lot of people are bullish on it. We need to wait for a retest, but we'll see. Noom, looking pretty good in my opinion. Already made a double. I bought here and 3 bags now. It can go way, way higher. And Beam, but I don't know which Beam, because I saw Beam X and Beam. Are they two different projects? Maybe Alex or Carol, you can, because we have Beam and Beam X, and I saw they got rebranded or something like that. And both of them are performing really well. So I don't know which one is the real Beam. Bitcoin is a stable coin. And DS took the Monday high. Nasdaq took the Monday high too. Let's see. H1. Yeah, I don't know. There are two of them, Beam X and Beam. Yeah, it was Circle exactly. But I don't know which one of them is the real Beam that those guys are bullish on. So you see, I'm not shorting. It's just looking like a rippy range here on 1 hour. Supply and demand. So I don't touch it. Not yet. Ugly price action. Same here. I don't know. If this cancel, it's closing like this, maybe a retest and then goes lower. I don't know. Maybe. I'm not touching it. Questions. Let's see if anyone has any questions. Ethereum and Bitcoin, both of them are looking the same. Volatility 0. I know we have some news today. Let me check. We have CPI. We have lots of news this week. Yeah, so Tuesday, 12th of December, we have core price inflation at 8:30 New York time. Inflation month over month. Then we have OMC tomorrow, PPI, and Fed projections. Lots of news. Lots of news. Traditional market, I would not touch it here. It's looking pretty ugly. We do have a rejection from Monday high on Nasdaq, so this one can sweep all this liquidity to the downside. But I think I'm a little bit too late to the party. Maybe if we had an entry here, would have been way better. Something like this. Leaks. I think I looked at it, that one on KuCoin. Yeah, there you go. I don't have it added here. I don't have it. Looking forward on getting some fills here or here. I'm looking pretty bullish. I don't know how much it respects the parallel channels, but we should get a bounce from this area. Let me know if you have any coins that you want to look at. Maybe we can find some levels. I'm not taking Nasdaq. This one is very bullish. Really bullish. You can see daily. We have a gap here, but what I like is the gap. It's the S&R is the retest of this area. So we can go down, but it will be a bullish retest. on daily. So we did, Alex. Merit circle was actually beam, and everyone had it. Like if you had it on Binance, then it would have been transformed into beam X. I think on my let me check my Binance. Yeah. So former merit circle beam X. Yeah. So it's about beam X, not beam, the normal beam. So not this one, but beam X. Yeah, this one, which is way too late. I would like to get a feel on that FEG, daily FEG. Here is where I'm waiting. If it doesn't give me an entry, that's it. Next box. We got plenty other projects on which we can focus on. And this one is just going lower and lower. Geometric Energy Corporation. I see some news about this one. Intellectual property logistic that invents energy technology. Yeah, I want at least a low time frame breakout, like a market structure shifts. I don't have anything here to buy. Lower lows. I'm going to skip it. I need some market structure to rely on. On check. What Alex with it? Let's look at Byte. What Peter mentioned. What's up with Jack, Alex? So price is holding this S&R here. So it's on chain, I see. Yeah, it just got listed on. I saw on their timeline that they just got listed on MEXC. Can you give me a link, Alex, for on chain? But I can check actually. But I need the contract. Go on Dex scanner, Dex screener. Joe Energy. Alright, so they are on technology. Partnership with University of Calgary. So they got listed on Poloniex. I can't find them on too many contracts on chain. Maybe I can check with the price from MEXC. $149. Yeah, it has way more history on, but I don't know if it's this one. Not sure. I don't get it why they don't have a. Ah, there you go. I found it. I found it on Uniswap. So this is it. Yeah, we have 3 clear areas here. So let's put a fib. Yeah, we're at 61.8. But I don't know if it's working like this. Let me check on that. Yeah, it's working. I mean, we are exactly at 61.8. So the buy should be like this. Here, then here, and the last one is here. We'll look for something else. The structure is pretty bullish, in my opinion. It looks like a descending wedge, but we need some volume. We got this green candle, which is like a wake-up call here. So people bought this one, and it touched around 61.8. Not bad. Okay, Pyth, yeah. So this one is holding pretty well, Piotr. I know I aped on KuCoin. I aped around here at 61.8. Oh wow. Okay. Found some interesting news about it, but has to be checked first. So yeah, it can be something. Not looking bad. So I'll nibble at 61.8. Subjects. Let's see what. Let's get back to Bitcoin. Nice M on Nasdaq. Monday high. What? We are still above Monday high. Yeah. I don't know. Mm. It's an M, but reclaiming Monday high and it took it once at support makes me think it will take it again as support or maybe daily open and go high. And that week is making it a bit hard to make a 2R till Monday high or daily open. Only if you take it like this, I don't like it. Thank you, Alex. You posted on Premium. So I checked on Twitter. I filtered by uh, Jack and on LinkedIn. So on LinkedIn, actually, I think that information is pretty valid. So it's actually in some sort of partnership with SpaceX. They worked on Falcon 9 project. So it can be something. It can be something. Let's see two more coins. Let's see Hilo. I think this one is only on chain because I tried, yeah, Hilo and Peer, same stuff. So I see Mubi and Ordi pretty bullish. Doc is pretty bullish on them. good news for the holders. No volatility for low time frame trading, sadly. So hello, Otto. Hello. Let's add Jack here to the list. Let's go. Ah, damn it. I forgot. So having the orders, we have 40, 0.44, which is here. I have an order here. Let me check DEX screener again. Okay, there we go. And $1. Okay. No, I'm just waiting for my New York session. I already have the alarm set here. I made a plan. I looked at the fair value gaps for continuation. You can see here. That's all that I made. I always do it, preparing it. Unibot. I think that's on DEX too. I don't think it got listed. Ah, actually, we have it on Mexi. Really? Yeah, there you go. You have a W. Not confirmed yet, 2 hours. But I like what I see. This reaccumulation, it's nice. This is a power of 3 here. And we are retesting this area. So definitely, Piotr, it's a good spot. Maybe SFU of this low, something like this. Let's look for a standard deviation. Here we have a bullish market structure shift. 61.8 touched. Yeah, I'm bullish on this one. Let's put in an order. Thanks for thank you for the heads up, Peter. Really looking really good. Yeah, looking good. I would not necessarily take that W. If the W is confirming, then I'll take the retest of W and I'll just raise my order like this. But right now I can safely assume that we have one more SFU and then goes higher. If not, I will reassess. I'll take the W retest with and I'll keep the same stop loss and not lose too much. Yeah, looking really good. Cybertruck. Somebody made a coin named Cybertruck. Yeah, I don't think it's this one, but I saw some news. Who the hell would buy Cybertruck? Yeah, but too many meme coins. Too many of them. Still no action from Bitcoin. Absolutely no action. Not too many things that we can do right now. Just go on 4-hour daily chart and snipe some entries. More than that, no. Let me know if you have any other coins, guys, that we can look at. I'll try to stay away. I mean, I made my plans for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'll try to stay away from low time frame chart for the moment. I'll try to nibble around here, scalp long, or the SFU of Monday low. That's my plan. Looking for a triple drive, 3 drives pattern here, something like that. Looks like this M worked, but no. If you want to trade with us, guys, don't forget that we have the Discord channel and you can join us. You can find the website in the description. You can trade daily in the New York session and in the London session in exactly the same manner that we are doing it right now. Just hopping up, looking for ideas, looking for setups, and stuff like that. Let's see, Mog definitely is not on, yeah, maybe here, but I think we need a DEX screener. Yeah, never fade Zach's call. I know. I wasn't able to nibble on that one. It's on chain right now. I didn't. This month I wasn't active on chain trades. I focused on Mexi, my Mexi account. It's on BitGet, really? Oh yeah, there you go. I guess Zach just made like 10K at least. he made a double. I remember when he was filling his mog. What price? One mog is 0.02. So he filled at 0.02. Nice. He has 3x since then. So it was December, November. Yeah, I think it's not giving the actual price, but yeah, he was around 2.9, 2 something around here. Anyway, he would do it. He has a double. Nice. Yeah, that would be for my part, guys. The plans are made. Low time frame scalping Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm waiting for a reclaim SFU of Monday low range and then reclaim into these equal highs. That would give us at least a 2-3 hour trade. We have plenty of trades that I framed on this green list. Yeah, you can see most of them they are on higher time frame. There we go. So mask, rune, uni, lina, and storage. I'm trying to fish some orders here, but try to keep the risk low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. So try to risk 0.25 per trade, because if we get a flash dump, which can happen, it can easily take the stop losses. So then you can lose only 1.25. And let's say if 3 of them are going in the TP, you can make 2% or 3% depending on the pump, or even way more. If you saw TRB trade made over 20R, so you're okay with the 0.25 risk. Bitcoin, I prefer these highs to be left alone and just creating liquidity. Sweep the Monday low into the 4-hour fair value gap and then target those equal highs. Traditional market, I'm not touching it. Market is looking weird. It's still above previous day high, above Monday high, which makes me think that price is still bullish and can take it as support here. If you want to join and trade with us, don't forget you can find the link in the description and join Crypto Traders App now on Discord. We have investing, spot trading, day trading, scalping, everything that you want, and we have plenty of ideas daily. You can join us that area. We even have DeFi and airdrops for who wants to farm those things. And yeah, don't fade it, because bull market is near, and don't try to buy here. Maybe have a plan and always use the long reload zone for nibbling back in some projects. But you can see most of them on daily, they are already gone, and we can see those weekly doubles forming already. And if you want to nibble in the weekly W's type of scenario, then join Kevin shows. There you can find plenty of ideas on a weekly basis. So thank you very much for being here. Have a good day. Bye bye.